How can I loop over pages and get data from every page with Selenium? I want to do a Google search and collect the links to all hits so that I can click those links and extract data from them after collecting all links. How can I get the link from every hit? I've tried several solutions like using a for loop and a while true statement. I'll show some examples of the code below. I either get no data at all or I get only data, links, from one web page. Can someone please help me figure out how to iterate over every page of the Google search and get all the links so I can continue scraping those pages? I'm new to using Selenium, so I'm sorry if the code doesn't make much sense. I've really confused myself with this one. I expect a list of all URLs from the Google search that can be opened by Selenium so Selenium can get data from those pages. I only get a list of URLs from one page. The next step, scraping those pages, is working fine. But due to this restriction I only get 10 results while I'd like to see all results.
Try the following code. I have changed a bit. Hope this helped. Output.